Director General of Police Kachala Meghalaya Dr. L.R. Bishnoi Ulaithu bagi bor pulit kilapan kerja Ramesh ubade porlok jung I love you talang phatok Williamnagar ya kani Bishnoi lapantep habajubab ik jingkili kilat thai kubor halok sinjam ki pulit mantelakam ya jinglai phet ki koidi na patong kuman sukudo bau Ramesh uba kasengkur khar kalakantai bau umdei nakani kakur udei ubola sakem hakakat arterik nailur arajar puar da kipai ba kasangpung kata sisi hadin bakil dep bomyap ya saungut kiperlok jungu ban penken mau bah kasipotrik nailur arajar puar henry ngut ki koidi bakenthop you I love you talang ulo da star tang usidor kidhar Ramesh umarsan ki taryang bat urikmen lang lamari kilalai pet na jowai district jail dak bapan aptari bat sho ya kipulit para henry hakakharwei tarik pai ba kilap bomyap ya saungut neki katbau Ramesh lalai pet bat layo ban kempat ya u hakasi kabut katbau rikmen lang lamari ubam dan lang bat kate ka kanhun hakajing petri sesangpung lakem ya u na baratu hakakhatlai tarik nailur arjar arwar halor small power ubalasha prai penrem na kambat bor yak hybrid ubalai pet na juai district jail pat klampat lap hadu menta nakaliang diji ubampat yo jingtep halokani ulong bon simkhia dak ba penrap bon sapa yo IG prison ban jurip ik district jail ba fair.
I agree with you that in the Joai West Jaintia Hill districts, the Joai I think in the first case the one UTP was escaped and that was captured again, and now he has been transferred to the Williamnagar jail. And in second case, the 6 accused escaped. Out of that, unfortunately, 4 were lynched by the publics and 2 were rearrested. So to overcome this, I have sent a team of senior officers to inspect the jail, and during their inspection, they found that most of the CCTVs were non-functional, and we have strengthened the security deployment and so that the more points can be covered day and night. And we have suggested the jail authority the installation of certain lights at certain crucial points, and we have also noticed that connivance of the jail staffs in second case, and accordingly immediately the district police they found some evidence and the 4 persons were arrested from the jails and they were forwarded into judicial custody. The case is under investigation. I have requested IG Prisons to inspect all the jails and what to be required to strengthen the jail security. So he will submit the report and after that we will sit together and decide. In lynching case, the suo motu case was taken against the unknown. Now all were rearrested. Total 7 escapes were there from the Joai. First 1 in one case and the 6 in second case. 4 lynched by public and rest all 3 rearrested. Is it?
It's an old case.
Yeah, old case.
But he was not rearrested.
Okay. So then I have noted your point. I will look into it.